In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a complete editorial calendar in Notion so you can finally manage your content pipeline from idea all the way to published post. Notion is incredibly flexible, but without a structured system, it's easy to lose track of deadlines, assignees, and where each piece of content sits in your workflow. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is set up your content database. Inside your Notion workspace, create a new page and give it a descriptive title, like Blog Editorial Calendar. Now, instead of staring at a blank page, you'll type a / followed by board to create a Kanban board, or you can type calendar if you prefer a calendar view. I recommend starting with a board because it gives you a bird's eye view of every piece of content organized by status, which is incredibly visual and intuitive. But the beauty here is that Notion lets you switch between views later, so you're not locked in. Once you choose your view, name the database something memorable. Blog Editorial Calendar works perfectly. This database will be the central hub where every article lives, from the first spark of inspiration to the moment it goes live. Now that you have your database, it's time to configure the essential properties. Open any card, which is essentially a page inside your database, and click Add a Property to build out your workflow pipeline. The first property you'll want to set is Status. Choose either a status property or a select property, and then add clear phases that mirror your actual production process. For example, start with an idea phase, then move to in progress, followed by editorial review, scheduled, and finally published. I recommend using emojis or icons in front of each label, like a light bulb for idea or a rocket for published, because they make the board scannable at a glance. Next, add a publish date property set as a date type, which lets you assign strict deadlines and even sync with a calendar view later. Then, create an assignee property set as a person type, so everyone on your team knows who is responsible for writing or editing each post. You'll also want a tags or categories property, using multi-select to label topics like SEO, marketing, or company news. This allows you to filter your board later and see, for instance, all the SEO articles coming up. Finally, add text properties for SEO fields like meta title, meta description, and slug. This is a game changer because it keeps all your publishing metadata in one place. No more hunting through separate documents when you're ready to hit publish. Each property serves a specific purpose, and together they transform a simple list into a powerful editorial machine. Now, I'm going to show you something that will save you hours of repetitive work, creating a writing template. Instead of starting from scratch every time you have a new idea, you can set up a reusable page template. Click the drop-down arrow next to the blue New button and select Plus New Template. This opens a blank page inside your database. Here, you want to add a structured skeleton to the body that covers everything a writer or editor needs. I like to start with a content brief section where you can add placeholder text for the target keyword and the word count goal. Then add a target audience section because knowing who you're writing for shapes the tone and depth of the article. Finally, create the article body itself, a framework with headings, bullet points for key points, and even image placeholders for where screenshots or graphics should go. Once you've built this skeleton, set this template as your default by selecting it in the template settings. Now, every time you click New to start a post, Notion will automatically load this structure. Your writers won't have to wonder what to include, and you'll maintain consistency across every single piece of content. This is one of those small setups that pays back enormous dividends in time and quality. So let's quickly recap what you've achieved. You've built a complete editorial calendar in Notion, a fully functional content management system with a Kanban board, custom properties for status, dates, and SEO metadata, plus a reusable writing template that ensures every article starts with the same solid foundation. The benefit here is clarity. You can now see exactly where every piece of content stands, who owns it, and when it's due, all without juggling spreadsheets or email threads. As a next step, consider inviting your team members to this workspace and giving them editing permissions so they can move cards through the pipeline themselves. And if you ever need to revisit these steps, feel free to save this video or bookmark the tutorial. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.